Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making a video on a very easy snack. It's delicious, healthy, partly healthy, and it's, best of all, it's just extremely delicious. So today all you are going to need is a cutting board, a fork, a knife, a plate, a bowl actually. You're gonna need a Gala apple. It's gonna be one of these Gala ones that are crispy, super delish, and condensed milk. Okay, well, let's get started. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is grab our apple. We are going to remove the sticker. I already washed it, so just remove the sticker, take the apple. What we're going to do first, we are going to stand it up and we're going to cut it through, and then we're going to turn it around and we're going to cut it into 3 more parts, each half. So it will look like this. It has the seeds in it. Don't worry about it just for a second. We're gonna cut. Then the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna take the middle part out. So we take that out, and then we take the seeds out. Basically, it's better if you do this with a smaller knife. I was feeling kind of lazy, so I did not take the smaller knife right now. First thing, you should, just use a smaller knife. Be very careful with your finger. You do not want to end up cutting your finger. I do it like this. You could do it however you feel. You could even put it to the side, cut in and cut to the side. Just basically, yep, see that? And then you remove it, get it off the cutting board. And we have one more. Cut that way, cut the long way, cut that off. Okay, and then next what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it into like little squares. Okay, take those pieces, they're all little tiny pieces, so we put those in our bowl. Take those, we put them in our bowl. So we're gonna cut them all like that. Those in our bowl. Bowl. Got one more piece. Yay, one left. Okay, then we take them, we put them all in the bowl. So like that, we're done cutting them. They're all going to be in our bowl. Then the next thing, we're going to take the condensed milk and we are going to pour it over. Just like this. See that? Beautiful. And that is our snack. Delicious. Just mix it around. Make sure you get some on there. And you take it and you eat it. It's delicious. Till next time. Bye.